national context. This is always for tribal areas that seem to have mineral resources. So paragraph 9 gives the autonomous district councils the authority to provide licenses or leases for prospecting of or extraction of minerals. Now this is especially relevant in Meghalaya because 2 district councils hold power over 2 areas that have 2 important minerals. One is the Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council. They have the coal mines in the Jantia Hills, which have been shut down by the NGT in 2014. So now there's a huge coal lobby that wants it reopened, which I think will be a plank on which many of the candidates for the 2019 election will rest on. And so the NGT took into account the environmental degradation of the Jantia Hills. It's pretty much sulfur has seeped into the underground water system, the lakes have been poisoned, and they didn't look